So I played around with this Game Boy clone, NES, whatever. It's a clone from China. But the second controller connects through a micro USB. And I want to check it out if it's USB standard or it's proprietary. I mean, some Chinese stuff only for this gadget. So, yeah, we'll take a look inside this controller first, and maybe we'll take apart the console too in another video. So let's see. Four simple Phillips head screws. I'm being careful not to damage them in case I want to return this because of the shitty screen. I have to return all accessories in 60 days if I want to. Come on. Yeah. So the problem with the controller and the console too is basically the same thing. Only two of the action buttons work well. The other two are misaligned or something, I don't know, but they are really hard to press and they move awkwardly. So I guess we'll find out more about that too. It seems normal. USB coloring mostly, the white and the green at least. Oh, and it has a chip. Okay, really nice circuit board, all the contacts. So why is it so hard to press then? Oh, it's kind of complicated here. But these don't move around a lot, so let's see. Are the are these in the middle like that? They seem perfectly aligned. Yeah, perfect. I mean, this was well designed. So if you put this back here, it's also, well, not really. This is not good. Okay, I can see the problems here. So this contact pushes right on the edge here, and this on the side and the also on the edge this way. This pushes a little closer. So yeah, that's not ideal. And this other one, yeah, that actually pushes where it's supposed to. But this is not ideal. I'll have to look at it sometime if I decide to keep this game, this Game Boy. What do you call it? I don't know what to call it, but it's awesome for what it is, with 400 games. So yeah, this may be USB, but there's no markings on it or anything, so yeah, I think I'll try it out with something, maybe. And I'll disassemble the console next, I think.